Today I'm going to show you how to set up a hot tub on your roof. First you have to find someone who has a rooftop. My in-laws have one for us to use. Take out the pad and spread it out where you want your hot tub to sit. Make sure the bubbles are face up. Now lay out the hot tub on your mat. Make sure to have this side close to your outlet where you're going to plug in your filter pump. Connect this side of the air hose to the large pipe. Unscrew the cap, then make sure that the valve is open. Attach the larger of the two nozzles, then twist it on. Hold down the power button for a few seconds until it turns green. Then press the air bubble button. Turn off the air and remove the hose. Center the hot tub on the mat. The hot tub comes with two filters. Attach them to the lower valves. Lay out the cover, then put the inflatable top on the inside of it and fill it up with air. Use the smaller tip to fill up the top. Detach the hose, then hook up all three parts of the filter pump to the hot tub. Take off the cap and make sure the plug on the bottom is closed. Now fill up the tub so that the water level reaches in between the minimum and maximum lines. To set the temperature, hold down the unlock key for a few seconds till it beeps, then press the up arrow until you get the temperature that you want. After it's set, it will flip back to what the actual temperature is. Now we're going to put on the cover and let it heat up. When it's done heating, you can turn on the filter button to filter it while you're not using it. We let it warm up overnight, now it's ready to use. When the heater button turns to green, it's gotten to the temperature you set it to. It comes with one of these to put some tablets in to keep the pool clean, so you can throw that in when you're not using it. When you're ready to use it, take this out, turn the filter off, and turn on the air jets. Make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota cold and how-to videos of ours.